All systems are go. Requesting permission to launch. Hey, how'd you get out here? Oh well, you and I can have a cookout later. Houston, do we have permission to launch? Roger, permission granted. You're confirmed at T-minus 10 seconds. And counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Reach for the sky.
Huh?
This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
What?
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
It's busted.
Who you calling busted, Buster?
Huh?
That's right. I'm talking to you, Sid Phillips. We don't like being blown up, Sid. Or smashed, or ripped apart.
We?
That's right. Your toys.
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Huh?
Mama?
From now on, you must take good care of your toys. Because if you don't, we'll find out, Sid. We toys can see everything. So play nice.